make a freezing liquid, all you need is denatured alcohol and some dry ice. Pour the denatured alcohol into a container. Then add a piece of dry ice. It's a good idea to do this over a tray because it'll foam a lot and may spill. What's happening is the dry ice is cooling the alcohol to its temperature, which is negative 78 degrees Celsius. So after the bubbles have mostly stopped, it's ready to go. So take whatever you want to freeze. The first test I'm doing is a broccoli, and dip it in for about 10 seconds. The broccoli is freezing because the liquid is just as cold as the dry ice. When you take it out, it'll look normal, but let's try tapping with the hammer. As you can see, nothing happens. But if we hit it really hard, it shatters into pieces. Next, let's try flour. Dip it in for about 10 seconds. And as you can see, a ring of frost has formed around the container, and that shows just how cold it is. It is negative 78 Celsius or negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Now when you take it out, it'll look normal again, but it'll be super brittle. And when you hit it with something, it'll shatter. Pretty cool, huh? So to make a bubble maker, all you need is a flask, some dry ice, and a stopper and some tubing. So I drop in some dry ice. Next, squirt some dish soap into a bowl. So to make some bubbles, dip it into the tubing and some soap, then put the stopper on and it'll start producing big smoke-filled bubbles. So you're going to take this and then drop it into a pot full of boiling water and see what happens. Wow, this is so awesome. So you can hear a loud bubbling here, and this is because the dry ice is sublimating, which means turning directly into gas, and that's making large bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, and that makes that sound. To make a pot full of awesome fog-filled bubbles, just squirt some dish soap into a pot of warm water, then add some dry ice. And it'll quickly start filling up with fog-filled bubbles. When you pop them, it makes smoke. So, cool thing about dry ice is you can take a coin and stick it in. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.